Reagan, what's up? What's good, Reagan? First here, dude. You ain't first, you last. Ricky Bobby. Alright, how do we check what is... What? Wait, where is contained, dude? Ray.contains? Didn't I just fucking type that, dude? Contain... I spelled it contains, dude. It's not contains, it's contains, bro. Of course, man. Well, anyways, it doesn't... I don't know what I'm doing right here. I meant to do... player movement dates dot add. Always usually the first one here. You have been lately, dude. You've been getting here real quick. Wait, what do you respond to? Twitch notifications or Discord faster? Wait, how do I add? Oh, it should be a list, bro. Discord showing you stream for me. Alright, that's good to know. I'm glad I'm getting the mix. Dude, J-Dog, you're up early, man. What time is it? I'm not doing your full-blown character controller here, but I'm stealing elements from you. Or you're inspiring me. So what I used to do with like a state controller is like I would just make it an enum and then I would just like have a value and like assign it to them. But like obviously you can be like sprinting and jumping at the same time. So now I'm making it a list. Randomly awoke. Anyways, I'm refining my player movement script a little bit with the whole input. It's been pretty fun. Also, did you get my Discord message? I now understand the way, J-Dog. I understand what the fuck you're doing and why you're doing it. It's so clean to have this up here. Then you can just like implement all those functions immediately. Pretty nice. Well, anyways, so... Yo, do you know why inject camera doesn't work? Why can't I inject camera? Well, okay. I mean, I know I can't do it there, but... I think it complains then over here. Reagan, what time is it for you, dude? I can't inject a camera. Look. Oh, Oh, never mind. Wait, hold on. Maybe I'm lying. I could be lying. Oh man, but this is tough because now I'm like, I have to like add it. So I have to do add, right? Oh, whoops, it's player movement states add. But then I can't add multiple. I don't want to add multiple. Yeah, we'll get back to my question that I was just asking. Let me fix these first. Camera's not a mono, so it doesn't pick it up. Oh. Camera's not a mono behavior, bro. I thought it would get any component. You can do inject single, but then it'll pick up the first instance. Camera.main tag. Oh, okay. Alright. I'll just not use it there. I guess I'll just not use it for cameras, it's fine. Right, okay, where are we at? Also, I learned about ternary operators tonight. Like, I understood... I kind of understood them. But also, I think I, like, fell in love with them tonight. If I can say that. What's our feelings on I don't know how to say it. Ternary operators? Player movement states dot contains. So if it contains the immobile, then can't move is true. Yeah. Otherwise it's false. Wait, no. If it contains a mobile, it's true. So we want to reverse this way. Before it was, yeah, okay. Yeah, we gotta reverse that now. Okay. It's a fair bit. They're pretty clean, dude. I like it. Reagan, what we up to tonight? What you doing? You just perusing the Twitch or what? The update you need to check on or not? Well, I'm doing this. How do you feel about this? So on start client, if base is owner, then you do shit. If not, you just fucking deactivate the script. That's what my boy Bobbly did, or whatever his name is. And to be honest with you, I kind of like it because you just fucking do this one line here and then you're done. You don't have to think about it. This was, I'm sure it happens if you have network varies. I guess why would the other player... I don't know, it's just something you have to think about, I guess. But I feel like it's pretty unlikely, like, that the other player controller, like, not the owner player controller, but the other one would be updating network variables. Like, it should just be the owner of the other client, right? That does any of those types of networking. Off the top of my head, like I can't think of any instance in which that would ever happen. But yeah, I'm rolling with that for now. I need like a... How do you handle this in your controller? Like, I need to like add, but only if it isn't already added, you know? So can I see this in... I've been having a lot of fun, to be honest with you. I've been doing so much shit with this player movement. Like, I feel like things are coming together for me a little bit with the input. What is it angry at me for? Oh yeah, I tried to do this again. I don't think inject single works here either, because like you have a camera for both client and server, right? I don't even know what happened, to be honest. I'm pretty sure I used the singleton one time. And like it only spawns one instance, like on both the client and the server. Or I guess, okay, actually no. I guess it works, because it's just one camera on each one, so it's probably fine. Whatever, dude. I can't fucking think about this shit, dude. Networks. The owner or server normally would do it for the update. Just don't know if there's any side effects disabling component. So what was that question again? Mobile screen is small. Oh, basically like I need to, so I have like a list of player states. I'm kind of doing it like you, but I'm not separating it out like in a bunch of different classes, because I'm just like, I'm not going that crazy on this game. Keeping it a little simpler, but I have a list of player states and I'm like adding them when certain things happens to the list, like jumping, right? Is jumping. And I'm trying to think like what is the best way in a list to be like, oh, this element already exists, so don't add it again. Like just only allow unique values on the list. I wonder if there's a cool solution. Add value to this in C# Don't use a list? Really? Use enum flags. Oh boy, you're about to teach me something new. Yeah, see, this is just clunky, I feel like. Well, I mean, I could just do that. It's pretty easy, I guess. Enum flags. So okay, then I can say if player movement states dot ends player state dot walking. Or say if not, then add. Like I could just do that. Enum flags, let's look those up though. Okay, and this. Wait, where did Reagan go? You guys are both pink, so it's hard for me to see. Reagan's still there, dude. Reagan, I was trying to ask you what are you up to? Attribute to indicate the flags. Okay, each enum member is assigned. Oh, wait. Fuck. This seems kind of confusing. This on it seems like what I want, but I'm confused as fuck at like how they actually work. Oh, the flags attribute should be used whenever the enumerable represents a collection of possible values rather than a single value. Gotcha. Such collections are often used with bitwise operator. Loud colors. Doesn't enable this by itself. That's true. Yeah, maybe I'll do that. Use enum flags and create a player state controller. Do that. So like, it's not really taking advantage of them. That just sets one enum. Does really use flags. You mean it doesn't really use flags? Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Let's say use enum flag and create a player state controller for movement and unity, where multiple states can be checked. Let's see if it does. I don't know if that was the best words to use there. Has flag? What the fuck? You can do this? What the fuck does this do? Wait, I'm serious, actually. What does this do? This is or equals? It's legal. Oh, wait, this is a YouTube video. Wait, this is just goated as fuck. It's so easy to use, right? Like, you literally just do or equals and it just like literally like adds it to the enum. And then you just do has flag. That's nuts. Yo, we're using this shit. That's for sure. With having a none state, I feel like... I guess. As flag is a tiny bit expensive, there's a way to make a cheaper function variant. If that... I mean, that might be true. But has flag is fucking hella convenient, dude. That's a nice, easy function to understand. So if it comes at the cost of readability, I don't really care. Wait, we have to do 4, 8. It can't be that expensive, you know. Readability, performance. No, I'm saying if the performance increase comes at a massive readability cost, like I don't really care. I would much rather just use the has flag. Like we're not in the limit of optimizing bitwise operations in a game, you know, for a player controller. I guess all I'm saying is like obsession with like hyper optimization. I don't really like it if it comes at a readability cost if it doesn't matter. Obviously, if the cost mattered, then you should consider it. But if it's like, oh, it's just because like do it just because it's more efficient, not always correct in my opinion. Depends what you're doing, depends who you are, what software you're running, but I think context is everything. Okay, well that means we... Okay, basically, so if sprint is canceled, then we do... How do we take it off? We know how to add it. Player movement states. Player movement state dot. Uh-oh. Dude, you know what sucks about YouTube streaming is that my chat link changes every time, so I can't have 2 links up. Ah.
Look at this cozy little cabin.
Damn it. I'm just gonna pull up my stream real quick on YouTube, you guys. Live. Games you normally want to squeeze as much performance as possible, but for a small game, it's not going to kill it. Well, I mean, but all like obviously yes, but if the cost is like, oh, I'm doing like 1 less, if I'm sacrificing like all of my readability for like 1 less if statement like per update function, right? Then it's not worth it. So like I think you have to, those are the things you have to weigh. All I'm saying is I'm pretty sure the has flag isn't going to kill my player controller, you know, in terms of performance. There's going to be like a trillion other things that are killing the performance of this game way before that. So why should I care, I guess? Now, if the better performance solution that you're saying had just as much readability, then I would 100% use it. But I don't know what it is, I guess. Okay, so, but now we have to change up what this is. So players, okay, this is gonna go back to being player current state. Let's just call it that. Current player movement state. Fine. This is gonna be a player movement state. Just make this a dot run to start. Yeah, the only reason I'm saying all this is because like hyper obsession on like optimization and all that stuff, unfortunately it results in never publishing anything. So you gotta always, you know, well, I guess it depends what your goal is. If your goal is to just like have fun and do something as clean as you can and like that's why you're doing it, then that's one thing. If your goal is to publish a game, then sometimes you gotta sacrifice, right? Fucking lot of unoptimized games out there. AAA games included. Actually, especially AAA games. How about that? Okay, so then when they compare it to something, they say just equals, right? Oh, it has, yeah, the has flag. Okay, so I would say current player movement state dot has flag. Oh, but I need to make this a flags. What? Why isn't it like that? We'll come back to that. That's flag. Movement state dot mobile. L. Yeah, some fucking triple L games out there, dude. Throwing in a million vertice car meshes in the background for no reason. Oh, your girl Reagan has been saving. All right, dude. I haven't done one either. It's good. Let's do it. Pick one out. Got one? Alright, one sec. I'll start this up in like 2 minutes. I wanna just try this. The only thing is this might not be very clear what's going on in the editor. So that is a little bit unfortunate. You could probably make an editor script if you wanted to like show it. Current player movement state, and then we're gonna do this. Crazy, I've never seen that operator used like this in my entire life. Thing. Wait, how do I take it off? You guys, I don't know how do I take it off, J-Dog? What if I... This is to like add it. How can I remove flag? The above example, how can I remove the is walking enum flag from current state? I have no idea. What the fuck, dude? To remove specific enum flag. The bitwise not operator. Bitwise not, really. Okay. That's not confusing at all. It's pretty funny. Oh, do I need something special for flags? Hyper namespace flags attribute cannot be found. Just using system. Okay. J-Dog's on it. Okay, well. So on jump, when it's performed, yeah, and then I don't know, there's like a where's is grounded? Then in here I would say current player movement state and equals. Man, I'm gonna have to like think about this, dude. Not player movement state dot. This is nuts, dude. I never even would consider that this is a thing. This is some fucking next level, low level shit. This is some next level, low level shit, dude. Okay. I'm done. I'm done. What is this even? It's a player movement state. What's it gonna look like in the inspector? I honestly forgot how to code. That's how I feel pretty much every fucking night I boot it up, dude. Alright, sorry Reagan. I'm getting to it. Just about ready here. Is there a way I can see that in an inspector? Oh wait, it's a duh. I'm being stupid. Sorry. I forgot that this was a property. So what happens? Wait, what's it gonna show? What? Oh, thanks. Thanks, I had the prefab selected, you're right. God, what have I done? Printing. Oh, it says it's printing. When I'm walking though, oh, maybe I just haven't set, oh, yeah. Okay, well, it kind of works. For some reason, when I press spacebar, it's not jumping though. On context performed. Oh wait, I think I need to... I disapprove of your double nesting, just a PSA. Yeah, I also disapprove of it. This was just an unexpected thing for me, so I just fucking threw it in there earlier. I forgot I needed to like... It's really kind of annoying to deal with, but... I guess there's no reason, right, for me not to... There's no reason for me to double nest this. could just return early if it's not X. Oh, yeah. Well, I need to do this. So, at least the way that I've... Oh, that's what you mean. If context not performed. Actually, I like that. That's pretty good. Yeah, I kind of like I wanted to keep this separate from these in some way, so that does it. Okay, let's go to you, Fufu. I'm gonna run this, test it, and then we'll do that quiz. Reagan did spend a fat 3K on it. Oh, I don't think I'm grounded right now for some reason. That could be why. Yeah. Okay, we'll get back to this. Let's go you, Fufu. Huge 3K, dude. Know you've been saving up, Riggs. Best movie ever? Okay. Round of 64? Let's get it, dude. Gladiator or Harry Potter? All? Okay, we'll go Harry Potter. Fight Club? Only when I fuck up, Reagan. Oh, man. Definitely Avatar. Versus Zodiac? Who's Zodiac, dude? Interstellar or Troy? Definitely Interstellar, right? Forrest Gump. Legendary. I haven't done this one. This is going to be a good one. Martian. Yeah, let's do that one. Ocean's 11 for sure. What is 12 Monkey? I've never seen this. Guess I gotta go Sherlock Holmes then. I don't know if I've really watched either. I know I've watched a little bit of this before, but there's some old ones, dude. Terminal or Eternal Sunshine? I guess The Terminal. American Gangster, Lord of the Rings, dude. 100%, 100%. No doubt. Oh, dude, Shutter Island's so good. Where's our boy Brutus, dude? Miss Brutus. Don't tell him I said that. Ooh, Parasite was pretty good. Taxi Driver is just so old. Like, I know you gotta have the respect for the OGs, but I like Parasite. Glorious Bastards. Or The Shining. Ooh, this is actually the first one I have to think about a little bit. I'm gonna go Inglourious Bastards. Godfather or oh, dude, Into the Spider-Verse was sick though, but I got to choose Godfather. Saving Private Ryan. Definitely Inception. Oh, The Dark Knight, bro. The Dark Knight's so good. Oh, The Shawshank Redemption's so good. Castaway or Django? Ooh, this one's pretty tough. Dude, Coco? Come on, what are you even saying, Reagan? It's not even a contest. Not even a contest. We go Django or Castaway here? I'm gonna go Castaway. I don't know these ones really. Actually, I kind of know this one. Okay. Ooh, The Big Short? That's pretty good. Spirited Away or I Am Legend? I kind of like Spirited Away. This is like Will Smith's peak, dude. He's just gone downhill since here. The Father or The Green Mile? I don't know. So many old ones, man. Dude, I still haven't watched The Revenant. So I can't choose it. Oh, we'll get him back. We'll get Leo back with the Titanic. Oh, The Wolf of Wall Street? Oh, yeah, we gotta choose that one. Yeah, you know Titanic's going far. Die Hard or Good Will Hunting. I was gonna say, I'm gonna choose Die Hard. That's just a classic. Die Hard best movie? Alright, we'll see how far Die Hard gets. We're almost through round one. I don't really know these ones, dude. Yo, you misspelled happiness, whoever made this. Pursuit of Happiness or Scarface, dude? Can be friends if we didn't pick it? Damn, I didn't know it was so serious. Alright, I'm glad. We have the same taste, J-Dog. Pulp Fiction. I'm glad we got Pulp Fiction in here. That one's gonna go far. Oh, Die Hard versus Avatar? Damn, is this where our friendship ends, J-Dog? Had to be Avatar, right, Reagan? Like, it just had to be. That's just an unfortunate matchup. Unfortunate second round matchup. That's like you're fighting the number 1 seed, dude. Just got unlucky. Interstellar or Lord of the Rings? I feel like Interstellar was pretty good. I think I like Green Mile a little more. Both great movies. Yeah, you can't deny Avatar, dude. Dude, this is a piss matchup. Okay, we'll go Godfather. Pulp Fiction versus Harry Potter, dude. I'm going Pulp Fiction. Pulp Fiction is just one of the best old movies. Titanic or Parasite? Alright, let's go Parasite. I'm just kidding. Go Titanic. Forrest Gump. I like Inglourious Basterds better. Shutter Island versus... Dude, Shutter Island. Have you guys seen Shutter Island? Shawshank Redemption. Easy. Easy one. Wait, oh no, I actually didn't mean to pick that one. Wait, can I go back? Oh, dude. I totally meant to pick Fight Club, bro. That hurts. I just want to start over, dude. Alright. Wherever we see... What was the movie I picked instead? The Wolf of Wall Street? We're gonna pretend it's Fight Club, okay? Pretend it's Fight Club. Castaway versus The Big Short. Let's go Castaway. Look at Tom Hanks, dude. Just so young. Inception or Pirates of the Caribbean? Inception. I like the trippy movies. Definitely Ocean's 11, dude. Oh, Inception versus Dark Knight. We're in round 3. Dark Knight. Forrest Gump. Avatar. Pulp Fiction. Glorious Bastards. Dude, this one, I'm not like a huge fan of that movie, but that one just is like cakewalking through because it's getting the softest opponents. Okay, I'm gonna go Ocean's 11 now. Later, Castaway. Okay. Fight Club or Interstellar? We're pretending this is Fight Club. Damn, okay, I'm gonna go Interstellar, dude. Interstellar's pretty good. I don't even know, man. I feel like I did that just because Fight Club actually wasn't there. Dude, we got the Leo matchup. The Leo matchup is here. Titanic versus Shutter Island. What are we thinking, Reagan? Think Titanic? I will go Titanic. That's fair. That was a toss-up for me, honestly. Alright, Ocean's 11's wins. Avatar. Dark Knight. I'm taking Dark Knight over Titanic. Alright, this is our last round of 8. Then we're in top 4. Interstellar. Ocean's 11 versus Interstellar? I can go Interstellar. I forgot Interstellar was directed by Christopher Nolan. I think Christopher Nolan's my favorite director. Dude. Dark Knight versus Avatar. Dark Knight, dude. Dark Knight's just too good. Dark Knight might be my favorite movie ever. It just might. Dark Knight is my winner versus Interstellar. I did not expect to get Interstellar up there. Dude, Lord of the Rings is people's top? The fuck? Really, dude? Okay, Dark Knight's second, though. That's respectable. Godfather. Interstellar's up way high, too. Damn, I had number 2 and 4 as my 1 and 2. Fight Club. See, dude, Fight Club's way up there, man. But it was Fight Club versus Interstellar, so that was really hard. Shawshank Redemption. Oh yeah, Shawshank Redemption went down to Avatar, I think. Wolf of Wall Street also really good. Alright, there you have it. Crazy. Okay, let's get back to this shit. I think this needs to go back up here. If character controller is grounded, or if character controller is not grounded, then minus equals but this is only getting updated. I don't know how to do this. See, over here I had it as like it's a different player controller. Movement direction. Yeah, I don't really know how this is happening. Like, I feel like that shouldn't even be necessary. I don't even think I need that. And is grounded. Okay, is grounded is false. Now it's true. What? Wait, so before I had this. Ice gummies versus Kit Kats. Which one do I pick? Dude, I would go Kit Kat, to be honest with you. Okay, so this is working. I guess actually I don't know when do these get called? This is kind of confusing. I mean, couldn't I just, like, maybe I can just set a, jump velocity. Like add jump or jump velocity. Yeah, I don't know. Add. I gotta say private bool jump init initiated. And come down here and then we say on jump initiated is true, and then we say up here we can say if jump initiated. Okay, let's try that out. I don't know, what'd you end up choosing, Reagan? Did you go lifesavers or no? Oh shit. We're just going up, dude. Okay, that's all we needed to do. Nice. Okay. And the last thing I want to check now, this is what I've been trying to check for a while, is... Oh, dude! Wait, J-Dog! Are you here? That's what I wanted to check. And it does it. It shows sprinting and jumping. Do you see this? Do you see the current player movement? On the right now? It shows two things at a time. Okay, except jumping is incorrect, but... Dude, is that not sick? This is a video, bro. This is a fucking video. This is a video and a half. Okay, what would you call the video? This is the problem with YouTube. Is if I call it like making a player state controller using enum flags. Like if I say that, it's gonna get like absolutely fucking 0 clicks because no one's gonna know what the fuck I'm saying. Like you gotta clickbait it a little bit. So like what title do you think I would use for something like that? Also, I really need to come out with a new video. My last 3 videos have been pretty big misses, man. I'm not gonna lie. My first two are doing so... I mean, my first one obviously is doing so good. And actually, my bubble shield shader videos, it's starting to take off a little bit. You can see this shit's accelerating. So this one's actually also doing pretty good. But this one has just like not gotten traction. I mean, maybe not surprisingly, it's such a niche concept. I tried to clickbait the shit out of it, but it did get accelerated. Like I think this is definitely the YouTube algorithm figuring something out and pushing it more. And actually, something that is interesting about this video is the click-through rate is quite high. 5% is pretty high. So the click-through rate, right, is like every time it's shown to anybody on the screen in YouTube, if like you see the whole thumbnail at any point, it counts as an impression. And then the click-through rate is of what percentage of their impressions did they actually click on it. So this is like 4.6%. And if you look at this one, it's about the same, 4.7%. The difference is this has 136K impressions. Whereas this one has 3K. But they have the same click-through rate. So basically what that means is like YouTube has decided that the keywords and the tags in the description of this video are really niche and they're just not showing it to a lot of people, even though the click-through rate's pretty high. So that's what happens. That's what happens when you pick a really niche topic. Like you might have high click-through rate and you might have positive feedback, but it just isn't going to get shown to a lot of people. Average view duration, 149. And that's pretty good. Considering the it's more than half. It's more than 50%. 56%. That's pretty solid. I think that's actually also better than my 3D world. So long story short is like, depends what you want to be on YouTube, but if you do a bunch of like really niche topics and shit, like for game dev, like you're just never going to get a lot of views ever. So I would lean towards like this one is like you want to say something much less specific than like making a player controller using enums, you know? Because people are gonna like look at that title and be like, number one, maybe I don't understand that. That could be one class of people, and so they're not gonna click on it. Or number two, there's also people who are like, I've made a player controller and I know that you use enums, so like I'm not gonna click that. So it has to be like, it has to both entice the people that don't know what a player controller is and want to know what it is, but also people who know what a player controller is and they want to do it in a better way. You have to think of a title that's like that. It's time for you to revisit Sebastian Log's videos from 6 years ago and remake them in modern time. Yeah, I mean, so I have a plan for a video that's going to be kind of like that. I'm just going to do one like overview one, which is like, it's in the list here. But I'm going to do a video that is, where is it? Not have it here. Oh, I didn't put it in here. Here, I'll make it. It's just like, I mean, in simple terms, this doesn't have to be the title, but how to do procedural generation in 2023 Unity. Popular. Or it could be like how I learned procedural generation in 2023. But like kind of like a broad overview video. And then if I wanted to, I could make more specific ones for specific things, I think. And that would be more niche. But like that's the one that would blow up. I mean, Sebastian's videos, all of those blew up though. So if you can make a series like that, like a fucking 20-part series where they like average 300 or 400k views, like you're just instantly, I don't know if rich is the right word because you're not quite rich yet, but you've blown up. So you could also approach it that way, like I'm gonna make a really intense, really good 10-part series on procedural generation using terrain in 2023 in Unity. What's up, Smirky? How we doing? But anyways, all that's to say that I would lean towards, if I made a video like about the player controller using enum flags, I would lean towards something like clickbaity. That's because like we have a good message to sell, so you want to clickbait it because they're not gonna click on that content, watch it, and be like, I got fucking jebaited, dude. They're gonna come out of that video feeling good. Which means like you want to clickbait it. If you can back your shit up, you want to clickbait it. It's when you clickbait something and you don't back your shit up, then people get pissed. They downvote. You get out of the algorithm. Your video gets no views, and then you also lose reputation. Have you done a deep dive into cookery? Or tested the player movement? No, I haven't. I was looking at stuff today at work a little bit. Murky, dude, always coming in so late. Why are you up right now? How's the player movement? I feel like the player movement right now is pretty good. Player movement works. I'm just sorting out these the state machine. Did you do a state machine yet in yours? Okay, so then I wanted to update movement state. So this is gonna come at the end. I'm gonna say if character controller dot is grounded. We can do character or current player movement state. And what is it? And equals not. Player movement states dot jumping. It's else. Do this. I guess we can make this. What's your feeling, J-Dog, on like if you know it's gonna be a one-liner and it's never gonna change? Do you do it like this? Your if statements? How do you feel about this syntax? I just don't like how much space this takes up. I prefer to do this, but maybe that's just me. Got any fancy stuff yet? Yeah, that's fair. I didn't mean to get this deep into this, but you gave me a really good suggestion earlier, honestly. Like this worked out really good. Gave me a completely different. I mean, number one, it gave me a video idea, and number two, like this is just a way better way of doing this. Super clean. You hate not having the Okay. What about this? Is that better? uh okay. Then we'll also say do we need to update sprinting? I think all we need to do is update walking. Then we say if character controller dot is what is this? We have walking, idle, and sprinting. So the good thing is we can already. Ooh. How do you handle? Okay, say you're like trying to sprint, but you're like running into a wall, and so you're not actually moving. Do you count that as sprinting or no? Because you're trying to sprint, but your speed is 0. Can't be late if Spader was early. Man started streaming at 9:30. Yeah, it was hella early, dude. 9:30. So early. Spader, wanna have a hop on Skyblock real quick? Not really, to be honest with you. Why? Why do you want me to hop on? Okay, well, we can think about this later, but what kind of bad effects would it be like if you say like even if you are sprinting into a wall with 0 velocity, like you say you're oh no, I think you want to be sprinting. Otherwise, like if you do animations depending on it, like it won't work. Well, I guess okay. What looks better though, if you're trying to sprint into a wall and you have a sprint animation, or you just like completely stop? I feel like completely stop, right? You gonna make me rate your island? Dude, no, you gotta redeem for that. You gotta pay that money for that, dude. If character controller dot dude, but this is why I hate using non-rigid bodies though. How do you even get the speed? How can you even get the speed of this? Mm. No, dude, I have to do this shit. Oh, was it 2 days ago? Did I not stream last night? Maybe I'm tripping. What did I do last night? Did I just work on this shit off stream? I think I did. Yesterday or 2 days ago? Dude, I don't know. You're throwing me. I can't even remember now. Ugh. So clunky, but we gotta do it. Yo, what's up, FCS? FCS is here, dude. What's good? How is shift wrist, dude? Man, what a stream that was the other day. When was that? That was like 2, 3 days ago. That night I was too tired. Okay, so down here we have to say if m speed equals 0, we say current human state and equals. Actually, this one we're gonna have to do something else. Or equals air movement walking, or no, sorry. And then we do and not walking and not sprinting. If this has been the stage of inactivity past month. Okay, so you're working on your Vector 4 project or whatever it is. Peter, have you ever played Jump King? Oh, I saw that on Twitch yesterday. Is it fun? I thought about getting it. It's only $10 on Steam. Okay, then we can say else if m speed greater then 0, and current player movement states as flag. Player movement state dot I don't know, walking. Oh, well, this is confusing. Because, okay, so in the on sprint key is going to keep track of this completely, whether we're sprinting or walking, right? So actually it's really as simple as just doing this down here instead. So if it's performed, then we say we add sprinting and we take away walking, and then if it's canceled, then we take away sprinting, but we add walking. And then I don't think this is necessary at all. That'll completely keep track of our walking and sprinting states. Okay, let's try it out. Jumping is totally independent, which we've handled here. I don't know what other states there are. There's crouching, but we don't have it in yet. And a mobile, yeah, we don't have that either. I was thinking adding a mobile state, just like if you get like frozen or something. Oh man, this is so fun. Why is this so fun working with enum flags as a state controller? It just feels so natural and easy. It's like, it's so much, it's by far the easiest implementation of a player controller I've ever had. Or a state controller, I should say. Posture check. Ooh, alright, let me get hydrated. Real quick. Anybody's chatting on YouTube, I think. Oh. I really just don't want to have to change this every time, this fucking YouTube chat. Why do they change the link on me, man? Just give me a static link. Okay, anyways, let's test out this state controller now. Oh, dude, someone just redeemed 25 push-ups? Oh, shit, it's been a minute. Let's go. Here we go. Alright, here we go, boys and girls. Don't mind my room. I got home from camping recently. There it is, dude. Yeah, it's been too long, you guys. I think I'm falling out of the habit. That hurt. Alright, we're up to 1400. Nah, that was a full 25, dude. Don't try to scam me. I don't know what to do because the game's in a stagnant state. Shift shifts is a passion project. Well, what's the big problem? Like, what's the next thing you need to do? I'm actually fucking out of breath. Even Canvas is impressive. Man, trying to scam him. Dude, he's trying to scam me out of 22 push-ups. Alright, you guys, let's try this. Oh, no, what happened? Wait, what? Object reference not set to instance of object? Why did this happen? I wonder, did I run on look before I was instantiated or something? Maybe I shouldn't do it here. Maybe I shouldn't do this in the awake method. Oh no, but I'm enabling it here. Should be fine. What? Oh, wait. I wonder if it causes the like, cause I don't disable the other player movement. Well, no, I only spawned one though. Oh, dude, multiplayer networking's fucked. What's the first error it gave? Well, let's see if I can reproduce it. I think if I click client and then I move my mouse really fast, it happens. Yeah, so basically, it's just saying object reference not set to an instance of an object. So basically the play. Oh, I think I know what's happening. So it's the player camera, because I'm setting the player camera to main in the OnStart client, but these happen, right? This gets enabled before that happens. I wonder what's the best way to solve that? Always look at the first error. Yeah. What's the best way to solve this, man? I could just, okay, the problem is I'm setting the camera. I don't like how, like, setting the camera like this, to be honest with you. Wait, how does J-Dog do it? Does J-Dog have a camera actually, like, attached? Oh, 10 bits? Oh, Smirky's gambling on me now. Okay, I'm gonna attach the main camera. Because I don't like that. I don't like how that's working. Smirky, I know you only think I did 3 push-ups, but the truth is I did 25. You know it, I know it, and Reagan especially knows it. You're not gonna scam me out of my 22 push-ups, okay? I reached out to more users of Tetris community recently. Well, like that one person you hosted that one night? Dude, she was going so hard on the Tetris. I don't believe you did 3, dude. Fucking Smirky's throwing me 50 bits. How about do you want me to do you? You think I only did 3, so how many do I owe you? He's about to be the bits leader. This man's the all-time bits leader now, probably. It ain't very expensive. It's not very expensive to be the all-time bit leader here. I'll tell you that. Actually, I have no idea. What is it actually? It's like, oh, it just says the monthly. Where's all time? Or no, it's a weekly. Let's see. You given how many bits? 10, 20, 70, 80, 90? I'll do 1 push-up for every 10 bits. So that's 9. There you go. 9. Oh yeah, 91. My bad. 91 bits. Yeah, well, sorry, I can't do 0.1 of a push-up. Wait, so what's gonna happen to my main camera if I leave it here? Uh, Wait, but the main camera... Is this gonna work, dude? What'd you say? Every 10 bits you'll do a push-up? Uh... Where is all I have? 95, yeah, sorry, I don't round up. I'm scared. How bad could this get? Yeah, I'll do 10 bits per push-up. I would do a push-up per 10 bits. That's a deal. That can be a stream rule. But the person has to say that they want it. Oh my god, dude. Ah. This man. That's 40. Yeah, okay, there's 50. There's no way, bro. There's no way I can do 50 push-ups right now. Contract sealed? Y'all trying to get me a fucking workout in, dude. Hmm. Alright. 25. Fucking 25 buckaroos. I definitely can't do another 25. Yeah, that's gonna have to wait a sec. If this man says that was 3 one more time, I swear you're gonna get a timeout. Oh, Reagan flexing, dude. Hey, better watch out for Reagan. Yeah, minus 25 is how much I owe. 25 pending, exactly. Dude! Dude. This man's an absolute fucking savage tonight. I swear, yeah, dude, you guys, if you talk to this guy on the phone, why is that on the phone? On Discord? If you talk to this guy on Discord, dude, he has the nicest voice. Sounds like the nicest guy. Then he comes in here and he's just an absolute fucking savage. Bit push-ups are still 25. You gave him 25 channel points push-ups. Yeah, so we're at minus 50. Alright, I think I can do another set. Jesus fuck. I'm not even showing my face right now. I ain't no scammer. We're not about scamming here, dude. Unless we're talking about my fucking game dev skills, and that's a scam. We're actually this is just the most entertaining stream on Twitch, dude. Can I get the awards for most entertaining game dever after tonight? Come on. I need to hold up a trophy. I can't. You got a problem with that? Smirky's coming in here with some attitude tonight. I don't like it. Spicy. 3.141596265. I don't remember any more digits. Did you guys do Pi Day when you were in middle school? Did you gotta do that shit? Wait, how does this? Okay. Player movement. After me open your project, that's what I fear I have to do. Yeah, that's what I'm about to do. I'm not even joking. Is this what you do? Does that work? Oh, that's... does not feel good. Oh, wait. I had two cameras. Oh, nope. Yeah, I need to look at how J-Dog did it. Wait, what are you saying, FCS? I do not. Wait, what's FCS saying? You got heart issues? How'd that even come up? I don't understand. How'd that come up though? Yeah, do that in math class. How far did you get, Reagan? 10 digits? Or did you get further? Still alive, so that's good. The message above it? Uh-oh. You telling him he can't even do more than that? And you can't even do that either, so... I'm pretty sure Reagan was talking to Smirky. Just so you know, FCS. You know that was for Smirky, okay. I was hoping he didn't get like offended by that. Reagan would never offend anybody. Can I pull the should I just look in the project or do I have to pull this shit? Cookery. I'm not ready for another set yet, by the way. Okay, so you made a fucking player camera? But did you have a player camera game object somewhere? Or a prefab? Or is this just a script you add on to the player? This is just a script, right? I'm stealing it. Why not open the project? Because then I have to open a whole fucking project. And it takes forever. It's not a very good reason. Doesn't take that long. Here, I'll pull. I said, Reagan, I said you would never offend anybody. Alright, let's check out Cookery. But I'm not opening no fucking Peril Sync clones. I'm telling you that right now. It takes forever. Alright. While this opens. Here we go. This is gonna be tough, dude. I don't know if I can do it. Holy shit. Actually got kind of lightheaded. I got pretty lightheaded there. No way Smirky's trying to scam me again, dude. Alright, let's start up cookery. Dude, I swear to God, J-Dog, would you fucking... No, I'm just messing with you. Would you go into your project settings and click this button here, right here? So you don't have to wait when you press play? That things look so weird when you turn the camera. The scene view looks cooler. What do you mean the scene view? Oh, oh. Look at this guy walking around, dude. That looks pretty good. Oh, the head moves? Oh, look at that. It does. Let me turn all of these gizmos off. Look at that, dude. That's so sick. Camera adjusted in front of eyes. Well, okay. I mean, I did notice though that like, I feel like there's something weird going on with your camera. Like when I'm moving like this, it looks really jittery. How are you moving the camera in fixed update or in update? Are you changing the rotation in fixed update or update, I guess? It's late update? Okay, so you're not doing a fixed update. You're to 10 push-ups? Just for you, check Discord. Let's see this man's. I'm gonna look at this off stream here. Oh, that's like 2 push-ups, Smirky. That's like 2, I think. Maybe like 2.5 push-ups. Yeah, that's like 2.5 push-ups, dude. Okay, so let's look at the player. I just want to check out the player prefab. Wait. So, yeah. Player. Oh, so you spawn a main camera? Where is the main camera? You have a player camera script. Where are you setting the main camera to be? Where's this main camera coming from? It's a part of the prefab? Oh, I see. Oh my god, look at this. Okay. Okay, so let's try this out on mine. Did you make this main camera? Yeah. Remove. The fuck? Remove. There. Let's try this. Only first 5 were good. Yeah, then it started falling apart a little bit. Maybe I'll give you like 5 or 6. Camera looked like it was snapping to something. I'm sure it's an in-vector issue. Part of the prefab things. Yeah, I think it's weird with the input player movement, since if you tap the SK very quickly, you teleport forward instead of moving backwards at all. Interesting. Yeah, this whole networking shit really throws you off, doesn't it? Okay, start server, start client. Hey, it's working. I don't think I got any errors that time. Actually, let me test it one more time. Also, if I have this here, what happens? It's not great. Whatever. We don't have to have this visible. Oh wait, I'm supposed to. So right when I get into the scene, move. Yeah, okay, we're good now. It's fixed. Realize I can change the color of my name. Oh shit, I like that color way better. That color's goated, dude. That purple, nice purple. Twitch Prime. Twitch Primage. I like it better in green. Yeah, I feel like Smirky uses green, dude. It's just like usually what he is. I know him by the green. Okay, so now we can test something really cool, which is, let's watch this current player movement, right? So it doesn't work. It should be walking right now, but it's idling. Now it's idling and sprinting. Cool. And jumping. Jumping? Jumping goes away. Hey, that works. Dude, this is so cool. Flag enums are just the fucking sickest thing I have seen in a minute in Unity. I guess it's a C# feature, but whatever. Same thing. By the way, you guys, I'm looking down here in this corner. You can watch the player state. And it can be multiple different ones. Okay, so we need to get rid of this idling, I guess. So, okay, update, movement state. We're gonna update it here, obviously, and then I actually think that I shouldn't change it here, the on jump. Just let it update in the update function. I don't know when the input actions actually get called, like order of events. I mean, the jumping's working though, so maybe I don't change that. But this just feels a little redundant. I mean, technically, yeah, once this happens, like, well, no, I think it should only do it once it actually jumps. We don't actually jump until over here, so yeah, I'm gonna do that. Okay. Oh, on move. Yeah. Well, basically on move. Yeah. I guess this is just idling. And we can say else if m speed is greater than 0, we're gonna say we're not idling. Not idling, and then I guess, and then we can say and current player movement state dot flag, and it's gonna be, let's just say walking. So if we're currently walking, then we're gonna take away idling and we're gonna take away sprinting. And then the last one is if speed is greater than 0 and we're sprinting, we're going to take away idling and take away walking. I mean, technically speaking here, we could also then add the walking. Maybe we should just do that for safekeeping, but But it's doing that down here, so. Chat exclusively on YouTube now to make Spader's life more difficult. Oh, hell yeah. Let's go check it out. Yeah, we gotta get these watch hours in on YouTube, you guys. Twitch channels for betas? I agree. Wait, what? Oh, that was supposed to only say that on YouTube. My bad, you guys. Okay. That's... Yeah. What is this clip, you guys? Alright, let's buy some sugar. What is this? Fill this bad boy up. And let's buy some...
I wanna kiss Smirky on the nose,
No. Dude, what is that? It came out of absolutely fucking left field, dude.
I wanna kiss Smirky on the nose,
No. What the fuck? Go to clip, actually. That line cost me 25 mil. Didn't he have to say that in order to get the 25 mil? What is wrong with Dogmata, dude? Speaking of fucking Dogmata, dude, that guy's just been MIA, bro. Okay. Oh, I'm tired, but we gotta get some shit done here. I think our state controllers officially work now. Okay, let's click on this guy. Okay, we're idling. Dude, doesn't work. Oh. Wait, I don't understand how when I'm moving right now. How is it not walking? We need to fix that first. If M speed is equal to 0, we're idling. If it's greater than 0, ooh, you know what? Maybe this needs to be... Oh, I need to do this. I was watching the VOD yesterday. Your VOD? Which VOD? Oh my, wait, what did I just do? No, it still doesn't work. What? Okay. Oh. I think what you need to do is... Yeah. We just need to do else if... Okay, basically if it's sprinting... If we're sprinting via the flag from pressing the sprint key, we run this. Otherwise, if we're greater than 0, that means we're not sprinting, and thus we do walking. Okay. One from Saturday or Sunday? Are you viewing it on YouTube? I get some watch hours. Twitch? Okay. Yeah, it's really annoying. Look, on, I need to be better at paying attention to my stupid, chat somehow. Like, I wouldn't even know if anybody's fucking talking to me right now. Nobody is, though. It's all good. But yeah, if I go live, and then if we go here, and then we go analytics, we can see watch hours. Which this all helps me get monetized. What is this, dude? Look, whoa, shit! 12 hours of watch time. Wait, really? So late, so no one's gonna be talking? Yeah, I know. That's how it goes. Yeah, look at that. 12 hours of watch time, that's like actually pretty good. And I'm just streaming and just publishing it. Let's look at, okay, you guys, let's look how close I am to monetized. Which is very far. I'll note that I'm still very far. New achievement, 30,000 views. Okay, we're almost 1/10 of the way to the watch hours, so. Who's the guest in this one? What is this one? Damn it, I died. I died. Do you only respond once? I'm dead. Oh. Okay. Dude, I was so bad at fucking dungeons. So bad. Okay, let's try this again. Walking, it's working. Sprinting is working. Okay, now it's sprint and jump. Oh, damn it. Didn't add the jump. Walking, idling. Walking, idling. Jumping. Oh, and I'm walking. I don't want that. It's because the... Ugh. The fuck? How come when I am sprinting and I jump, it doesn't add it? Actually, okay, now that I'm thinking about it, state machine wise, I don't think it would be good to have walking and jumping at the same time. Because, like, you're gonna play an animation based off of one. Right? How would that even work, man? What are the things that we have in here? Crouching. Well, I don't know. It's also really convenient because you can combine states like this. You can be crouching and idling. You can be crouching and walking. And then you can just, I guess, play an animation based off of that. I did the most worst coding in my life, and I think I will definitely cause issues in the future, but will work for now. The inventory stuff? Oh man, okay. Well, at least it's kind of a practice project, you know, you can fucking dry run it, whatever. Is it working? I'm gonna get into some more UI builder stuff pretty soon. It's coming. So J-Dog, did you hear what I was just saying about player movement states? How did you deal with this? Because I know you've done this a bunch. Like, did you allow for both idle, like both, sorry, walking and jumping to be active at the same time? Or would it just be jumping? I did, yeah, but I wanted to limit the velocity in the air so you couldn't sprint jump. Yeah. Oh, I mean, yeah, it's really useful to do that because then like you don't want to be able to walk jump and then in midair sprint, right? Like that's stupid. Or at least in most cases, unless you want your game to be like that, but this okay, the only thing I was thinking of though is like in terms of playing animations, how would you deal with that? It's like for each state you have you're like supposed to play an animation, right? So, I mean, I know you could deal with it somehow. I'm just trying to think like, is that the best way to deal with it? Like have both active at the same time, or is it better just use animation state machine? Yeah, okay, that's fair. It's basically like the state machine is like if like it'll be like if you're already jumping and or if you're walking and then you jump so that you're both walking and jumping, then you do the jump animation. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Shut up, Smirky. Okay, whatever. So that's fine. The only thing that I don't like though is that when I'm jumping right now straight up and down, I well um it says it's walking, which shouldn't. So I have this flow that's like speed. So really what I should be doing is instead of speed, we should be using displacement. Okay, so if X or Z displacement is absolute value of it is greater than 0. Check Discord, you can see what I mean by worst code in my life. Okay. Let's check this shit out. Okay, unique identifier name. Think object. Think list. No, okay, so this is like a networked item or some shit. I haven't gotten this far yet in networking. A lot of if statements. 110 of item.cs is the worst thing you've done. Wait, I'm surprised you're saying your item stuff is bad. It looked really good earlier. This looks really good. Header looks good. Scriptable object. Item extensions. What is this? Dictionary string item? What are you doing here with the item database? Merc, you're leaving? I'm gonna go talk to people till I fall asleep. Alright, Smirky, peace. We'll see you later, dude. See you soon. Thanks for the 95 bits. Too bad you're second place now. I'm to FCS. Is FCS? Did he go to bed? We haven't seen him for a while. Wonder where Thorolf is, dude. He usually comes in around this time. Crazy today. Wait, okay, what's JDog saying? Item database gets all scriptable objects of item and then just caches them. I see. Okay. That's pretty nice. So then you can just call like S item database. What? So it'd be like S item database, and then you just do like item name. Single quotes Python. Oh, there's a get item function. Okay, I see. I didn't notice that's what you did. But yeah, that's really nice. That's one of the things that I hate about the scriptable objects is like the resources.load, and then you have to like know what the name of the item is. So yeah, I really like being able to like load it dynamically into like a dictionary and then just like call it based off of like something already made. The Rolf, what's up, dude? Wait, there he is. The Rolf, wait, did you just hear what I said like 2 minutes ago? Were you here yet? What? Dude, I literally just said, I was like, where's FCS Flays? Like, he's gone. And then I was like, where is Throlf, dude? He usually comes in right around this time. Literally go back on the VOD and check, dude. I said it like 3 minutes ago. Yeah, I summoned you. Alright, dude. It's been a night. I feel pretty happy with the night. It's been pretty cool. We've learned some good shit. Anyways, you said line 110. Okay, let's what is this? To do. I'm pretty sure it's extremely bad. Scriptable object dot instantiate get item unique ID. Read item. Huh. Yeah, I don't know what you're trying to do here. I don't know what this reader thing is. You're just trying to get the item from its unique ID? Why do you need to instantiate it? Crypto objects are global by default. Instantiated to make an instance. But why do you need to create an instance here? Like you're just reading the item? Read by the client when accessing the data? Oh man, yeah, this is pretty nuts. I don't know. That's weird. Roll, how's your morning going, dude? You already working? I don't know. Yeah, we'll have to talk about that more. That's a weird one. I don't know. I don't have a better answer for you. But yeah, it doesn't feel great, does it? Okay, let's see if now if I jump, does it change? Oh no. Why is all my shit's not updating now? The fuck? I didn't even change anything. I guess I did, but okay, let's print this, I guess. Okay, so we're 0, 0, 0 as expected right now. Our displacement. We definitely see X and Z displacement. So why is it not being run? If is this bad syntax? I think that was bad syntax, huh? Let's try that. Was little distressed. I think I'm developing carpal tunnel, so I call off work. Apparently my weak body can't handle 9 to 10 hours of programming a day. Oh shit, man. Damn, I'm sorry, bro. Hopefully it's not that serious. But yeah, good to like lay off for a sec and make sure. And as flat. Wait, what? Oh. Oh, do I need to do this? I think I needed to do that. Okay, let's try that. Where are you feeling it, dude? What do you think, like, is it like in your wrist or is it in your fingers? What is carpal tunnel? Is it in your fingers? Or can it be also in your wrist? My wrists have always been the things that hurt me the most. My fingers have done pretty good overall, though. Okay, let's go to our player. Let's start walking. Oh, we're walking. Yay, it says we're walking. Okay, we're idling. Let me jump. Idling and jumping. Fuck yeah. Walking. Jumping and walking. Jumping and sprinting. Okay, I do notice though, if we jump and then sprint while we're still in the air, it takes away our jumping. So why is that? Oh, your wrist? Yeah, dude, the wrists always hurt. Do you have a keyboard pad? Like this? Changed my fucking life, dude. Well, actually, which wrist is it? Is it your mouse wrist? Because that won't help. Definitely won't help with your mouse wrist. But dude, my left wrist on my keyboard always used to fucking hurt, and I got those keyboard pad, and oh my god, it literally changed my fucking life. Keyboard and mouse armrests are actually worse for you. And here I am saying it changed my life. How are they worse from you? I literally like watched I watched like a gamer doctor talk about this. He was like actually a medical professional, and there's like some video of him talking about it. So that was the reason I got it originally. So J-Dog, you're gonna have to back yourself up, dude. Because my left wrist went from just like pain every day to like it's like 100% now. And the only thing I really changed was I added this mouse pad, or this keyboard pad. And the reason is like basically this is what happens for me at least. It's like normally on my keyboard, if I don't have a pad, I'm like this. Right? Like I'm like this. And like just hurts my fucking joints in here because it's straining. But then if I get that pad up there, I can just relax my wrist. And use this kind of like gravity, like the weight of gravity to like come down on the pad. I think that's more just being 32. Well, but it got better when I started using the pad. I don't know what you do for your mouse side though. Like I would never use a mouse wrist brace. or wrist. What is it called? Rest. What was the last thing I needed to do? Oh yeah, so when we press the shift key, it's like taking away our jumping? Why is it doing that? So if it's grounded, then we take away jumping. Otherwise, we add jumping. That's the only times it's being edited, so... something weird's kind of going on. Is this all working how I think it's working? Wait, okay, what if I take away this? Oh man, it's already 12:20, man. I gotta go to bed soon. You gonna try to get some sleep? It was fun today. Dude, yeah, it was a good stream. We, the Yu Fufu quiz was good. That was a good one, Reagan. Also learned, dude, I actually learned so much tonight. Ternary operators in C# are fucking sick. And flag enums are even doper. Like, those things are, dude, the bitwise operations that you can do with them are crazy. Okay, walking and jumping is working. But it was... oh, weird. Yeah, so shift is not working anymore. Yeah. Are you gonna stream tomorrow? I'm gonna say probably not, to be honest with you, so just be ready for that. I'm gonna say most likely no, because I want to work on some other stuff off stream. So I'll probably try to go live Wednesday. It's Monday? No, today's Monday, yeah. I'll try to go live Wednesday, yeah. Wow, minus rep. What? You have a fire YouTube video idea? What's that? Alright, good night, Reagan. Peace. I'm just not following why this isn't working, dude. On sprints. Oh, yeah, okay. That's why. It checks if it has the flag sprinting. So, just confused. Let's print, as jumping flag. I don't think it does, but maybe it's not displaying it correctly. Wait, can I really just do... Oh. Okay, yeah, this will be a good test. I wonder, I just think this is maybe not working how I think it is. Guess I'm back? Dude, Smirky, you're back. My man. It's like 4 a.m., bro. Dude, what is your sleep schedule? You're honestly competing with Dogmatic for worst sleep schedule that I know of anybody. Dogmatic was something else though, dude. Like you have a tough matchup. He's pretty crazy. I made a game in 1 minute, 1 hour, and 1 day. That's a fire idea. I'll write it down. That's actually such a fire idea, honestly. One-minute game? Dude, what? It's actually pretty funny. What could you even come up with in a minute? I mean, Unity, like... Unity would, like, lag for half that time, so... You'd basically have to compile, like, no code. You don't count loading compiling? That's true. Nah, that's a great idea, J-Dog. I'll definitely do that. Dude, also, I also had an idea. What do you guys think about this one? What if I post a video that's like I make a game and then like top comment gets the next feature and then I add that feature and then I post like a devlog of it update. And then the next that video I post, the top comment gets to add their feature to it and then I make it. It could be a cool series. Dude, I swear that man has a worse sleep schedule. I mean, Smirky's pretty bad though, dude. It's really like at this point, Smirky's competing. That's risky. Not everyone understands how much work a feature is. It is risky, but also that's part of the fun. Like that's part of like the challenge and the interesting, I don't know, the interest of it. Because like think about it, like someone could ask for something and then let's say like we're like part 3 or 4 and I've added some features like people have asked, it's going like kind of well, it's picking up a little steam, and then like someone like asks for something like really hard and then I just like go dark on that series for like a month, but then I just fucking come out with it a month later just slamming my shit down on the table, and then it just blows up, dude. I went ham off stream. Risky. High risk, high reward. Nah, it would be pretty tough though. I agree. It'd be a hard series. But it could be a good one. What was I doing again? Dude, I get so distracted. Once it's like 12:30, yeah, I don't get anything done, dude. Oh yeah, dude, this is annoying. I don't know what to do about this. As jumping flag is false. So if I press jump, So obviously you can see we have the jumping flag. If I jump and press, it works. Wait, what is running? First of all, this should be is sprinting, dude. Let's change this shit. I'm trying to make a good player controller right now. One that I'm proud of. I think I stream until I finish jumping. I think that's what I'm trying to do at this point. Clean game programming is really difficult. Oh, Thorolf, dude. So let me explain what I'm doing tonight, by the way. Like the main thing that I've done tonight. It's so sick. Maybe you know this, but like I didn't know this, and it fit in so perfectly for what I'm doing. So for a player controller, so trying to relate this to Pong. I've moved on from Pong. So I'm making a player movement controller. For real now, you're gonna go. All right, Reagan. I'll see you later. Peace. I'm making a player movement controller, right? And then it's like a state machine. So it has these different states. And normally I would just make like a normal enum with like none, idling, walking, sprinting, and then I would say like current state is one of these, right? So that's what I would normally do. But the restriction of that is that you can only have one state at a time. Whereas like lots of times you might want to add multiple states at a time, especially as your complexity grows, right? So instead, what we do is we add this thing called flags. It's an enum flag. And then you make each of these basically like kind of like a bit. So it's like a, squared. Each value is the next one squared. So then what you can do is you can say, here's my current state, and you can or equals one of these to add it, or you can and equals not one to subtract it. And it's so natural. It's such a fucking good way to make a controller. And then it has this function called has flags, because of this right here. You can use this has flag operator or method, whatever it is, on your current movement state, and you can just say has flag this. How do you handle invalid state combinations? Well, yeah, I mean, that's kind of what I'm going through right now. I'm just handling that logic like manually. Like, so I just have like a update movement state at the end of my update. I'm so lost, man. Lots of if statements. I mean, yeah, basically like you can't really get around that, right? You gotta program it in somehow. Fucking hard code that shit in. What's an invalid state combination? Like, for example, you can't be walking and running at the same time. So you can't have both at the same time. Which is why here, whenever I add, like, say I add sprinting, or do I add sprinting? If I add sprinting here, then I take away walking. Yeah, maybe you can walk and sprint. Same time. Sprinting is... I think what I need to do, actually, is not do this here. And then I will do... Instead of has flag sprinting here, I'll just say Okay, got better. And I'm only updating the flags in there. The states, I guess, in there. I'm gonna ask so many questions. Anything I don't understand, be ready. All right, dude. I'll try to answer your questions, dude. I'm here for big smirks. Okay. Player controller, we're idling. We jump. We're jumping and idling, good. We jump and walk, we're good. We jump and wait, we sprint, we're sprinting. And then we jump. And it's not adding jumping. What the fuck, dude? Why is it fine walking and jumping, but not sprinting and jumping? How does that make any sense? Like, I don't treat them differently at all. Cool idea, although it has some downsides, like being limited to 64 states. I guess that's true, but fuck me, if I have 64 states for a player controller, then I should just stop developing that game. I'm almost like wondering, like, is it not? What? Let's say jump flag before move. Flag after. Something happening in there to somehow so the jump flag is going away? There's nowhere else that I'm editing this, right? Right here, I use it. But yeah, okay, I mean, in the entire controller, like, this is the only place we've completely localized everything. Dude, look at this. It's true before and false after. So, ah man, maybe, I don't know, something's fucking up. Somehow it's taking away my jumping in here, even though I'm not doing it directly. You gonna go to bed? Alright, Smirky. Wait, that was bad? How was that fucking up? I don't know, dude. I'm confused. Did I do these bits the wrong way? What did ChatGPT's tell me about this? Man, this shit too much? Is that what I missed? What did I miss, dude? 0, 1, 2, 4, 8. 0, 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. Let's ask it, How do I like ask a question about this one specifically? How about we use find? Okay, let's try this instead. Make a player state machine using enum flags for player movement states and show an example of removing adding states. I don't really understand. I don't understand. Something weird's going on in here. Like, it's when is sprinting is true. Take away idling. We take away walking. It's a typo. Fuck me, bro. Okay. I was just setting it equal instead of equal. Have you just started refactoring to using enum flags? I mean, this is like a kind of a fresh game, so I wouldn't even call it refactoring. I'm just like remaking. I'm just like making this game. Little mini game. Just there's like 3 or 4 concepts in Unity right now that I'm really like trying to get better at. So I'm just making this game to get better at them. It's UI toolkit I'm trying to get better at. Networking I'm trying to get better at. And then I mean those I guess those are the 2 main ones, but then like just like combining a bunch of different things together. Trying to write better, cleaner code. I'm trying to do that for a long time. Okay, anyways, let's go look at our player. We're walking, we're jumping and walking, we're sprinting, we're jumping and sprinting. Nice. Okay, we're good. And if we stop idling and jumping and idling, and that's it. Those are all the combinations. So it seems like it works. Okay, we can take this out now. What do you mean by refactoring? Refactoring, it's like say you like wrote up a whole like thing, like you did a whole like script. Like I wrote this whole thing and then I realized that I like architecturally like I did it wrong. But I know how to do it right. Refactoring is the process of like going from how it's wrong right now to right. And lots of times refactoring like what you have currently is like fine, like it works, but you want to like do it in a better way so that it can be future proof or be more scalable or something. Okay, I'm gonna try to go and do I would just scrap the project. Well, that's what fucking happens a lot of times, if I'm being honest with you. Okay, we got... Let's see if we can spawn another player in. Oh no. We spawn another player in, but the camera's all fucked up. That is happening. Okay, that has to be because of something in here. This camera. Maybe this camera shouldn't be camera.main. Okay, let's start client. Oh no, dude, why is that happening? Oh, I hate fucking multiplayer, bro. It's just the worst. Disable a camera game object by default and then on start client. If they're the owner, just enable it. Okay. Well, okay, that's what I had before though. Kind of, and like it was a little different, but I was enabling it right here, right? In this method. But the problem is I was creating my game input on enable. And then I have this on look function. But what was happening is the camera, the player camera, was null. If I moved my mouse before, like if like right when I started up and I moved my mouse, it would try to access the player camera before this function ran. I'm trying to figure out how to prevent that from happening. I could just say like, I mean I could say if m player camera is null, then like return, but it doesn't feel great to do that. Referencing it via the inspector, so it shouldn't be null. Oh, really? You think it's changed? Oh yeah, yeah. Wait. Oh, you're just saying just enable it. You're just saying do this and then yeah, the camera wouldn't be null. It would just be disabled. Okay. Okay, you're saying like that. No, I didn't enable it. You need to check if they're the owner and on start client. That's what I'm doing. I'd enable and set callback the on client start and check to see if they're the owner. Oh wait. Oh yeah, yeah. I have to do set active. No, Thurl's right. Right? Or wait. Wait, JDog, you see I'm doing it here, right? I'm doing it on the on start client and if is owner. So I'm already doing all that. Dot game. Oh, duh. Dot game object. Fuck me. That's what you're talking about when you were saying, like, set it disabled, right, J-Dog? Not something else. You're talking about inputs in general? Instead of on enable binding the inputs, doing it on... oh, sorry, I missed that part. Whoops, okay. I thought you were talking about the camera that whole time. Yeah, you know what? This should just be in here, right? Should I still have it in this on disable? Is there any problem with just having this on disable? Seems fine. Well, what happens if... What about like garbage collection? Like I wanna... I guess like the player's like never gonna be fucking disabled, but... I mean, is there really any problem with having on disable here? Otherwise, if a different player... I'd remove on enable and disable. Otherwise, if a different player DCs unsub from inputs as well. I'm just trying to think, like, how do I get the equivalent of what I'm doing right now? Or does it not even matter? The callbacks this, you can only have one of those binded at one time. Yeah, I mean, so basically you're just saying, well... What, are you just saying, like, this only matters if there's more than one player? Or more than one object, like, calling these inputs? I'm not worried that this, like taking this out will break things. It's just, like, I'm just thinking in terms of, like, garbage collection, I guess, but... Are you saying add it back anywhere, or just take it out and say fuck it? Don't worry about it for now. Yeah, fine. Okay, that's fair. All right. Okay. Let's try this again. If we can get this to work, I'm going to bed. And if I can't get it to work, I'm going to bed. Okay. I think we're working. We're zooming around on the other one. I'm trying to find... Yo, there he is. What's up, dude? What up, broski? Okay. We have a full character controller state machine that's networked, boys. To be honest with you, though, I didn't do anything for networking. It's just like basically writing a character controller. I'll be $5, please. Oh, I'll give you $5. In a different form. Yeah, it's like not even networked at all. It's fucking totally client side. But I mean, you know, well, it is networked. It's just like I didn't actually have to do anything. I guess unless I wanted the other player to be aware of the state that this player is in, so that's a whole different can of worms, but I don't know. Would you ever like need like in a little FPS game, would you ever need to know what the state of the other clients are? Probably. Well, at least there's definitely there could be situations. Like if they were like using something and then like you couldn't use it because of that. Then you might, but at that point maybe you just like you don't want that to be part of like the player state machine. That's just like a state of the object. It's like being used. So never mind. At least that's how I would do it. I don't know. I would think the state controller is just like a client side thing and you don't really need to worry about it too much. But I guess we'll see. We'll see how the project develops a little bit. Well, the other thing is that I'm going to bed, but we also have this guy here. This little UI manager. Oh yeah, and we can't select it because things, but if we come in here and we do this, oh no, delete. I also separated my movement controller out from my main player controller, so I do like that. Okay, so if we press tab, okay, now we get this, and we can choose a color. Did it change it? Yeah, we're blue. Nice. Okay, and this has the whole server RPC shit. Actually, let's see, if I join up right now, do I see it as blue? Gotta go to work. Alright, J-Dog, I'm about to get off anyways. I'll see you, man. I'll talk to you on Discord. Oh, funny. It's not blue on this screen. Cool. I wonder if that's because he wasn't in the lobby yet. That would be a problem. Okay, now I changed it. Oh my god, that's just a whole nother problem. Oh god. That's crazy. So, it properly changed colors. You can see it's blue on this guy's screen. It changed colors, but it didn't save, like when I changed colors before this guy loaded into the server, it wasn't seeing that change. God damn. I don't know. That's a problem for another day. Okay, I also want to know what happens if I do leave this camera on, because I like it on. Okay, it's fine. Just overwrites it. Cool. Alrighty, well, next time I'm on stream working on stuff, I'm going to be working on server RPCs, observer RPCs, and networking, colors, and player settings, and all that kind of shit. And then after I get a little, what I do want to do like really bad is right now, instead of this this player color like drop down, which I select the color from. Changing me to blue right now. I want it to be a color wheel, so I found this UI element that someone made on GitHub for UI Toolkit. And it's essentially that. You just click on like a little box. It's like the color box, and then it like pops up, makes a pop-up of like a color wheel, and then you choose your color. So I want to implement that into this project. That would be pretty fun. And then network that, the resulting color from that, which that part should be already easy. I already know how to do that. And then after that, it will be adding in like some projectiles and grenades and stuff into this game so that we can do that. And then probably after that, I want to not use capsules of players. I want to use like actual player models with an animation controller networked. So fuck around with that a little bit. And then after that, you know, we'll see what this project is. That might be kind of as far as I take it. We'll see. Anyways, I'm going to bed. I'll see y'all. The Rolf, have a good rest of the day. I hope your hand can heal. Hope your wrist feels better. Peace.